to help transfer pretty much everything on. So I'm gonna apply this one coat of premium iHo transfer foil, and we are going to cure. Just need 30 seconds, and there is 48 watt of LED lamp. So full nails, cure for 30 seconds. You feel like it's off on both. And again, for all of you just tuning in, I'm using a premium iHo transfer foil to able to transfer really completely, and also is fast in 30 seconds transfer the image that I'm gonna show you. And this is foil number is 106. So adorable. I just cut smaller pieces out of this one. Okay, let's see, it's clear on both sides. And guess what? I'm gonna show you, super adorable. I don't know if you can be she or he, but by the way, I'm gonna call her she. She's so adorable. Look at that spinning, is so adorable. Let's transfer this beauty into the nails. I know you can call this, if you put the lighter colors, you can call boyfriend spinning, boyfriend's bear. If you are putting brighter colors, you can call us girlfriend spinning bear. But this, it looks like a little cute bear. It probably is boyfriend's waiting with the balloons, you know. So I'm just like pretend it's a boyfriend's waiting. My hands had a lot of cuticle oil, so then I'm gonna make sure that I am going to give it a good rub on and do an end tweezer. Make sure that her ears, like his ears, will be not missing at all. All right. So adorable, super easy and fast. Okay. So now this is so adorable. You can add this one on. And if you want to, but I'm gonna cover with the spinning bear. So I'm gonna try to get it much in this one. It might not, because it's right in the edges right there. I'm gonna put some crystal placement on this one. Okay, so let's get start with condensed glue gels. This is the first step from our crystal trifecta, and I'm gonna use a good amount of condensed glue gels, really thick density. Just let you know when you're getting it, it just get a little go a long way. So I'm gonna do right here, just right in the center. Okay, is this good enough? And don't forget to get the no wipe top coat. First thing first, want to close this one and just tap this one on. All right, you good? And I think it's up to you. There's come in a pack of 6 of them. I don't know which one you like. I think I like this one. Do you think? Good. Place this nicely right there. And I am going to make sure that it stays really nice, secure, and I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. Look at that. All right, cure 60 seconds. Really be careful. Oh my god, I can see spinnings. Ah, looks so adorable. I want this one on my thumb. In the meantime, we're waiting for the other one. It's so perfect with this. All right, so we're gonna key it completely of 60 seconds, and I'm gonna have another layer. I'm gonna add just a little bit of glow in the dark crystal. It's gonna be so perfect with this design. Yes, I have it right here. And I'm gonna apply and tie the nails because I might add some of super adorable crystal. Ah, it's so adorable. And then of course don't forget to do no wipe top coat. This is the second step of trifecta. All right, how's everyone doing? Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Friday. I'm excited for this cool tutorial. Super fun, easy, simple. I'm gonna add a couple of the crystal placements on. Just really want to get their heart. Can you grab me some the pink one out of this one? Pink, size SS8. I want pink instead of others. Can you find it? I thought I have a lot of pink here, but I guess I didn't. I'm putting his ears super cute. Right here. It's okay, you scoop it right here. Thank you. No, not that one. Yes, thank you. I'm gonna add some crystal on this beautiful heart. And you can add more, you can add less, it's up to you. And a couple more here. Just to give a little of reflection of a crystal. I love it. Okay, that's it. Add more if you want to. Looks like he's holding the balloons, but balloons is blowing his girlfriends on the sky right here. So, okay, so happy with this. We're going to Kier. It's like, I really want to get his nose crystal too.